What's up, guys? So another edition of our weekly report on YouTube analytics. So let's go to 365 days, and we see that we are at 337.8 watch time hours. So that's almost 400, which would be 10% of our goal to get monetized. So quick recap: to get monetized, we need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So we're at 337 hours, watch time hours, and 21 subscribers. So we're seeing progress, right? Let's just reduce this window here. The trend in views continues upward. We did not have any, more relevant spikes the past 2 weeks. And just to recap our content, the last one that we released was this Simon McBride reaction. Then before that, we had some Black Country Communion and Purple. So some of those are picking up, like Portable Door, On the Table by Rishi Kotzen, and also One More Try by Simon McBride, while others are kind of stuck in the 50s views, like Letting Go, Mr. Big, and the first one by Rishi Kotzen. Going back to the analytics, our main video is still the one that I made about the Olympics, or trend hopping on the Olympics, right? So that's responsible for 185 watch time hours. It's a big impact there. Followed by Lazy Sod by Deep Purple. Let's see if we have any other relevant information over here. Let's check for last 90 days. Yeah, not a lot of information, except we're still at 3% click-through rate, which is fine for an average view duration of 4 minutes. Let's see if we have any relevant information about our audience in this time. Okay, so some new stats popping up now. I have a better understanding of when my viewers are online, so that will help me improve my publishing times. And we have some information about geographies, mostly males watching my channel. That's somewhat expected, right? It's a guitar channel. Yeah, and that's it. I think those are the main information that we have for this report.